Alright, what's good guys? We're going to Arizona car meeting. What's good guys? Acting on another YouTube video. Got the Beamer. As you guys can see, got Jaden filming. Jaden, show yourself.
I got
Getting a bev right now like we usually do. Just filled up gas. Come under. $28 on the just caught him. Anyways, that was this, but just caught $28. Did on the MasterCard too, like because I'm on the Brett Scales course. No, I'm not, but first car meet with the new rims. As y'all can see, spanking, brand new. So we're gonna go inside. Oh shit. We gotta go inside now, get a bev for the whip. Just got the windshield replaced, like I said earlier in the video. But I guess we're going right now to get a bev, I guess. There's a guy on a bike right there. He's going to Alright guys, so I gotta go with the peach tea. Changing up this video. Let's see what Jaden's grabbing. Fucking typical. A fucking Red Bull.
Gotta get hyped.
Celsius.
The filming? You need the filming energy.
This is the film where you guys see behind the camera. Does he want candy? Oh, gotta pay now. BRB. Alright guys, we're pulling into me right now. Just got here after the gas station to pour gas. Now we're pulling in right now. Two 720s literally just passed us. Because I hit a pothole. So I pulled over to check out my car because that shit was actually massive. So we're pulling in right now, seeing what's up.
Hey, you guys know what else is massive?
The low taper fan.
The low
Wait,
taper
so where
fan.
do I go? You can film this way too if you need to. Imagine my car overheats right now. Okay, look. Zoom in on that. Does bro know it's a super car spot right here only? Zoom in on the bro's whip. Should we pull up over there? We'll check it out. Crazy ass cars. Damn. I don't even know what that is, but damn. Damn. Oh my. Am I crazy? I'll take this over that. Literally perfect spec. Oh my god, bro. Insane. These are literally, bro, literally insane spec, bro. Actually crazy. Parsco. That's crazy, bro. Shit's actually insane, bro. Godzilla. Bro, look at his plate. That shit's crazy. Damn. Dark ass turn. Damn. That shit's wild. Damn, bro. Oh shit, that's it. Oh my fucking god. We gotta check this thing out. Bro, look at the paint, bro. It's the spark. Oh my. Oh my god, bro. Shit's actually. Whoa. There's what the? Look at their waiting chairs. They're buckets. Damn, I did not think this was an area over here. Actually, fucking insane.
Yeah.
Literally 2 dream specs. Oh my god, this thing pulling in. Damn. Why is it not zooming out? This thing's actually insane. Bro, I'm taking this. Literally 2 dream cars right here. Actually insane, bro. Actually insane. Damn. Shit's crazy, bro. Damn, these 2 McLarens actually. Damn, that's fucking crazy, dude. What?
This shit's fun. The fuck are you filming it for? So guys, today's video.
This is your video. I follow him on TikTok. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yeah.
Yo, it's not takeover.
Is it not?
No, it's not it.
Hey, it looks like, you know. Oh my. Damn. Honestly, Alright guys, so we fucking found a Lamborghini. We're gonna follow him now. Alright guys, so we're stuck in traffic because some fucktard wanted to get in a crash after the meet. So there's fucking traffic for 10 minutes, but you know what we gotta do. Look, we're under a bridge, right?
Oh yeah.
Well, the window wasn't down, but should we do one more? That shit low key seemed kind of good. I'm not gonna. Now your sirens behind me, and I go to jail right now. Alright guys, so we're on the highway right now, and we found these two Beamers cutting up. I think there's one more in the back. Look in the back, Garrett.
Oh, there's Garrett.
Film that gold one. That shit's so nice, and it's loud as shit. I'll try to. I had a Vet and a Mustang, and a Shelby in front of us. Look at that Vet, bro. Shit's actually so nice. Alright guys, so we just got to Tempe now, and as you guys just saw, everyone was mobbing, so, and I low-key, like, I'm in front because, like, I'm just the quickest one, but, and we're being dead ass. I don't know how I'm in front, but everyone else is behind me right now, but we're gonna get them content as, like, we pull off on the highway.
Switch, run them bands up.
Alright, we caught up back with everyone. As you guys can see, we're with Gary right now. Oh my god, look at everyone.
Oh my god, under the tunnel? Oh yeah, it's about to get wicked.
Film all of it. Damn! Alright guys, there's a Supra on my left. Oh, guys, not to flex, but I think mine sounds like that. Just saying. That's just laughing at us. Damn. Hey, I judge you. Alright guys. As you guys see with the Beamer boys over here, shit's insane, bro. Actually so nice. Damn. So that's the guy that was popping next to us.
Yeah.
That shit's so nice too. Super pulling in next to my whip. We got an M3. I think that's an M3. An old M3. Damn. It's actually crazy. Damn. You got the headlights as the turbos? It's crazy.
Nah.
Oh, shit.
She's just hyper. She won't.
How much power does it make?
Maybe like 12, something.
1200? Oh, what's up, dude? Okay. It's actually so clean.
That thing's fucking gnarly as well.
You going to 2K? Texas 2K?
No.
Nah. This shit's insane. M2 comp.
Yo,
Okay. Whose car is this? Oh wait. Oh wait. It's ours. Anyways, actually, think what I'm thinking.
What?
Thinking what I'm thinking.
Five Guys?
Low key thinking. I'm going to the barbershop right now to get my hair cut by my friend Jordan, and later on in the video he's gonna be swinging it. He's gonna be drifting his car in Mexico and doing a few pulls. He's a 335i, fully straight pipe, catless down pipe. So you guys are gonna see him drifting and all that good stuff in Mexico later. So yeah, we're gonna be in Mexico later and all that good stuff. All right, guys. So we found this nice little calm little neighborhood, and we're taking a little TikTok right now, making a little TikTok spot. But the clips just came out really clean of the TikTok, and yeah, just want to guys show you the little spot I found. It's in my neighborhood right down over there, so I live down there and make a little left. Go to the little neighborhood over there. That's where I live. But tell me she don't look amazing right now. Look at this beauty. The trees. It just looks beautiful. All right, guys. Like I just said, we just finished the TikTok spot, so now we're cruising out of here. It's in Sport. I don't like going Sport Plus because it takes off traction. Like, it just does too much, but I don't want to wake up this neighborhood, but nice little pull. A few little downshifts. Downshift one more time, why not? So, whatever that's going on, that... Damn! Gunshots, bro. That actually sounded insane.
Alright, no heavy. Alright, no cars.
This girl's gonna ruin it though. Oh, that actually sounds crazy.
Hella quiet now.
No, this girl's ruining it.
No, that's so embarrassing. That was so embarrassing.
It didn't spin. Right here. Where did we try right here already?
Yeah, I did. Fuck it, I'll try it again. This does look like newer, bro.
Nah, you got your aura back. You got that shit back real quick.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Got that shit back. Where's the Beamer? There it is. Bro, it sounds like fucking mine. So I just stopped and got groceries, but god damn, a nice M4 with the carbon wing. He got all the carbon packages. God damn. That shit clean, bro. He's lucky that there's not a parking spot next to him, so I would have parked next to him. Damn, that shit was nice. It's fine, mine's nicer. I'm lying. Damn, I wish that was me. Damn, that shit was nice, boy. What a nice day outside, though. Beautiful day, I'm not gonna lie. Gotta start coming outside more. Damn.